Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a debit card with Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new debit card and you want to use it to pay for reservations on Airbnb. How do you actually go ahead and connect your debit card with Airbnb? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to go into the Airbnb app. Next you're going to click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Next click on Payments and Payouts. And then from here you want to click on Payment Method. So as you can see here we have some blurred out payment methods. You want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Add Payment Method. Once you click on Add Payment Method, you'll see the option to connect with PayPal, credit, or debit card. You're just going to click on credit or debit card, and then from here you'll connect your card number, expiration date, CVV, zip code, country and region, and then click on done. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your debit card with Airbnb. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.